What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Viewers and subscribers, good morning. I just come off a walk up a big hill. I don't know if you can see it in my background, eh? Yeah, man, just come off a walk there, up that hill there, in the morning. You know, me I carry a 1 pack. Some want a 6-pack. So me I work on the 1 pack, if you get a 6-pack, a 4-pack, maybe even a 8-pack, yeah. So guys, welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. Welcome to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. Guys, me tired. How no do? Uno alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, yesterday, me say happy birthday to everybody out there. However, I never know say it was Nana's birthday yesterday, yeah? So again, I want to send a big up, shout out to Nana TV, yeah? Our birthday, you know, it is good to say happy birthday to each and everyone. So Nana, I hope you have a nice birthday yesterday, and I wish you all the best in life going forward, and I wish you would live to see many, many more birthdays. And to each and everyone out there who is having a birthday today, tomorrow, or yesterday, happy birthday to each and every one of you. And as always, wish you live to see many more birthdays. Now, my viewers and subscribers, wellness check. Please, me I beg you, do no wellness check, because you don't know you go. Mental health crisis is not a joke. Domestic violence, man, rough. But I want to know if you help each other. Talk to. If you know girlfriend, you know boyfriend, well, if you know friend, I have issues in a them relationship, and you all can help them. Please, me I beg you, help them. Please, me I beg you, talk to them, help them. You know, just sometimes all they need is comfort and some good words. Now, my viewers and subscribers, you know see what going on out there with Colaz Smith, Knife Ninja, and you know see what going on out there with Colaz Smith. Every turn you turn, somebody is there and try to take down Colaz Smith. Because what? Money and the prosperity of what are happening in life. Knife Ninja say people no see what Colaz are do, no see what Colaz are going with, and Knife Ninja believe that people shouldn't help Colaz or look out for Colaz. But Colaz a help himself, because what Colaz a do is work very hard and making his money from YouTube. However, guys, this morning I saw something on YouTube this morning, and I'll be honest with you, it get me really upset. It get me very, very upset. Yes, very upset. What did I saw on YouTube this morning? What did you think I saw on YouTube? Because I never see it. It says it's out 3 days now. I have never seen it, because I don't go and look for those people content. There is this woman. I don't know if I don't want to disrespect no one, and I don't want to rude to this lady. None at all. I do not want to. But when I look, I saw this lady who call herself Ladykeish. That is what she call herself, you know. She call herself Ladykeish. And I tell you the truth, my viewers and subscribers, I have saw where this woman drag Alicia Kim name in the mud. Drag Alicia Kim until, and now I saw where this woman who call herself Ladykeish. I don't see where the lady is on your quiche. But this woman is going to make a video with the title, Why Colaz Smith Wife Staying Silent After the Heartbreaking Bun Scandal. No, let me read this again. Why Colaz Smith wife staying silent after the heartbreaking bun scandal. Now, let me say this to you, Ladykeish. You never could have find anything else. Ladykeish, you couldn't find something else to make a video about. You couldn't find something else to say. Why is it that you have to bring up anything about the man wife? The man wife don't trouble you. The man wife don't say A or B to you or about nothing that her husband is doing or saying. Why is it that you want to know why the man wife is silent? As carnally to you, heartbreaking bun scandal. People, the bun, if you don't understand what bun mean, in Jamaica, it's called cheating. My thing to you, Keish, woman, do you see Colaz Smith wife coming out here saying anything about the allegation or whatever people is saying about her husband? Don't you think Colaz Smith know who he married to? Don't you think Sham know who she married to? Don't you believe they have their dialogues, they have their conversation, they have their talk? Why is that your problem? Why do you see that? And why do you want her to come out here to say something about the heartbreaking bun scandal so you can get to have content to make? So you can get to have content to beat her left, right, and center like how you do Alicia Kim? Why do you have to see that? Why do you specific have to see that? Do you see the man wife coming out here making any video or talking anything about her husband? Have you ever see Sham come out here make a video say anything about her husband? Why do you believe she must come out and say something about the bun or the cheating allegation that people is talking about? Why do you believe that she must take it up on her head and cause her and her husband relationship to mash up? Why do you believe that's something that she should have come out with and be aggressive and not be silent about whatever she is silent about? Why do you believe that she should not be silent? Because he is a problem. He is a problem and he is a menace to society. You is a problem, and that is the reason why you take up Alicia Kim's situation and do everything that you can do to tear her down. Meanwhile, you have dirty laundry, you have dirty life to live. And you used to live a lot of dirty life too. No, Keish woman. Let me say this to you. I don't want to call you no lady, you know. And I don't want to disrespect you. And I don't want to be rude to you or to anybody at all. But it's a full time. You know, get a hold on yourself and have some form of knowledge and some form of understanding about when you see a man and a woman having a relationship and you don't see the woman doing something that you believe the woman should do, because if it was you, you would come out and cause all kind of problem. If it was you, you would come out and do all kind of stupidness. No wonder why you have... You know, leave the lady alone. Leave the lady alone. Do not come out here and ask no question about why is she silent. Leave the lady alone. The lady is silent because the lady have more sense, more knowledge, more brains, more than you. For your head not only big for nothing at all. You know? All in a for your head is nonsense, stupidity. You get up and you can wonder. A lot of people wonder that, yeah? And you see any of them making a video talking about why she's silent? Don't you see she's the wife? As Jamaicans would say, or as women would say, a them are the wife. A them the man a come home to. The lady is not worrying about anything. She's not worrying about what her husband is doing or saying. She's not worrying about nothing because when the husband go home, they have their conversation. Are you home to hear what they're saying? Colaz Smith been making videos saying my gal is from ever since. And him not stop. Don't you think him have respect for him wife? Yes, him have respect for him wife, but this is called YouTube. This is content. The more he talks about this, the more people is going to have all kind of things to say. And who you think is benefiting? Him is benefiting from it. The only person is going to benefit from she coming out and saying anything or she not stop being silent about whatever you think is out there. His content creator is going to drag her through the mud. Content creator go drag her, they go fling her, and you is going to be a part of it. So why do you believe that she should come out and say something? Why do you have to ask the question, why is she silent? It's why Colaz Smith's wife staying silent after the heartbreaking bun scandal? The heartbreaking, you know? You go as far as say heartbreaking bun scandal. You go as far as saying the heartbreaking bun scandal. Heartbreaking. Ladykeish woman, Ladykeish, whatsoever you want to call your name. Make content and leave the lady out of it. Leave the lady out of it. Why do you believe that the man's wife must stop being silent about the heartbreaking bun scandal? Why do you believe why do you believe that it's trouble? Whatever people is saying, troubling the lady. Why do you believe that she's over there crying? Why do you have that belief that she need to come out and say something because she's too silent because of the bun allegation? Why do you believe she should come out and be stupid like you? Sham is a peaceful woman. Sham is a peaceful young lady. Sham is a peaceful person that doesn't like mix up, doesn't like problem. Why you believe that Sham should come out and put herself in such a danger? Why you believe Sham should come out and put herself in that kind of predicament, that kind of situation? Why do you, Ladykeish, why do you believe she must come out and do something as stupid as what you believe and what you and others would do? Why you believe she would do that to herself and her family and her kids? Why do you believe that she should have done something so low and slow? And why do you think that way? Why do you have to take it up in your headspace, in your brain, to go to that level of wondering why Colaz Smith's wife haven't come out and say something about the heartbreaking bun scandal? Don't you think when Colaz Smith go home and the wife said to Colaz Smith, so what's all this about this bunning thing? This is just me talking. Don't you think Colaz and his wife have dialogue? Don't you think Colaz and his wife have talking about all those things? No, hold on a little bit. Don't you believe that Colaz Smith and his wife have dialogues about all what is going on? And don't you think Colaz Smith must have said to his wife, listen me good, you know who I am. And don't you think the wife may, because I don't know, I'm not in their house. Don't you think the wife may say, I ain't listen to them, me not listen to them, make them go and talk? Why you think the lady must come out and make herself look stupid like you? Why you think the lady must come out and bring her life story and her life? She have 2 kids. She have 2 kids that she have to take care of, that she don't want to see her kids, to see her face on YouTube when they get older, cursing and talking all kind of elements. Her kids and her is not like you. She's a grown woman. She's a woman who is thinking about her kids. She's a woman who is thinking about her life moving forward. She's a woman who understands the assignment. She's a woman who understands that I'm not going to go out there and make my husband look stupid. Whatsoever they have going on, whatsoever is going on, she know that she must wait until she come home, her husband come home, they have conversation. She not stay like you where go out on social media and fling out everything out there. Remember, they don't live their life on social media. Not like, remember, Alicia Kim was living her life on social media. So no use that and drag her through the mud. Colaz Smith and his wife doesn't live their life on social media. The wife and daughters have a channel. Colaz Smith have his own channel. Why you think the wife must come out and cause problem for herself, her kids, and for her husband? You Ladykeish, why you think the woman must go low like you? Why you think the lady must join the drunker town crew? Why you think the lady must act like a drunker like you and your vagabond them? Why you believe did I just say vagabond? I will me hear the word there. Me hear the word there. What do you me can't say? I will me hear the word. But you know, my viewers and subscribers, it's a disgrace for really look and see that Ladykeish or Keish or whatsoever you want to call it, Lady Drunk or Keish. Did I say that? I not apologize. Ladykeish. Drunkertown. Lady Drunkertown Keish, yes, that me meant to say. Did I call her drunker? Oh. Did I? Did I call her drunker? Or I want to say Drunkertown. Sure. Anyway, why do you have to come out and say why Colaz Smith's wife staying silent after the heartbreaking bun scandal? Let the lady live. Let the lady have her life. Leave Colaz Smith's wife out of it. Leave Colaz Smith's wife out of it. My viewers and subscribers, me finish with that. Keish lady there, Drunkertown. Keish, me finish with her. And Ladykeish, let me tell you something. You go see that video, you may not watch it. But let me tell you something. Sham have her husband Sham is very smart. Sham know what she do. Colaz Smith know what them a do. Why do you want the woman to come out and look like a cheap ass biatch like you? Why you think the woman must come out and do the same thing that where you think you want to do, so you can get to run around the place, so you can get to drag her in the mud, and so you can get to talk about, then what? Look at this. What is this? What's this? Yes, she do this. Yes, she said this. Why do you even come up with that, man? Why you come up with that? Ciao, my viewers and subscribers. Until the next video, I'm out. Bye bye. Chat about.